A very good morning to all my dear students. So, till now, children, we have read about maps, types of maps, and three components of a map. Today, we will learn about sketch and plan. So, children, a sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation and not to scale. Sometimes a rough drawing is required of an area to tell where a particular place is located with respect to other places. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house but you don't know the way. Your friend may make a rough drawing to show the way to his house. Such a rough drawing is drawn without a scale and is called a sketch map. So, children, a sketch map is basically a rough drawing. It's a rough drawing and it is based on our memory and how well we can observe different places around. So, it is based on our memory and our observation power. And it does not include scale. It does not include scale means we are not measuring the things exactly. We are just roughly making a sketch. So sometimes children, we have to draw a rough sketch of any place, of any XYZ place or an area, so that we can find out where a particular place is located. Let us understand the drawing of a sketch through an example which is given in your book. Suppose you want to go to your friend's house but you don't know the way. You don't know the way to your friend's house. You don't know the way how to reach your friend's house. So what your friend can do is that he can make a rough sketch or a drawing to show where his house is located so that you can easily go to his house or you can easily reach his house. So he is drawing a rough sketch or a rough map. He is drawing a rough map to show how you can reach his house. Let us take another example over here. So, your friend, imagine your friend who lives in a different city, who lives in another city, has come to Ranchi. Okay, he wants to see you and he wants to see your school. So he wants to see your school and he is currently staying somewhere in Birsa Chowk. You all know where Birsa Chowk is. You all know where your school is. So the example is that your friend who lives in different city has come to Ranchi. He wants to see your school. He is staying in Birsa Chowk. So how can you guide him to reach your school? So you can make a rough sketch from Birsa Chowk to your school, and you can also give important places or you can highlight the names of important places that he will find on his way while coming from Birsa Chowk to your school. So this is a rough sketch which I have drawn. So as you can see here, I have written your friend's house and he lives somewhere in Birsa Chowk. So we all know that if we go straight from Birsa Chowk, we will find Vidhan Sabha, we will find a chalk, and if we turn towards right, you will have your Kerli school. So you can draw a rough sketch that from Birsa Chowk, your friend will go straight. He will go straight, and then on the left hand side, he will find Vidhan Sabha, and he will turn right. He will turn towards his right from the chalk which is there near the Vidhan Sabha, and then he will continue walking straight. On the left hand side, he will find a temple. You all know there's a temple over there, so he'll find a temple first, and after that, if he continues to walk straight, he will find Kerli school again on the right side. So this is a rough sketch which you can give to your friend so that he can come to see your school. So here children, we are not taking exact measurements now, that the road from Birsa Chowk till Vidhan Sabha is 100 meters, so you will draw a 100-meter line, and then you will say that okay, then you have to turn 90-degree, and then you will walk straight, and 50 the road is 50 meters. So you are not drawing exact, you are not taking exact measurements of the road, you are just roughly drawing, and you are giving names of important places which he will see on its way, so that he can reach the right place. So this is, children, a sketch. This is a sketch because here we are telling we are locating particular place, we are locating Kerli school with respect to other places, with respect to Vidhan Sabha, or we are with respect to that chalk or that temple. So we are finding out location of Kerli school, keeping in mind other things which are present around Kerli school. So this is a sketch map. So here we have roughly drawn a sketch of how your friend can reach your school, and this type of rough drawing which is not drawn using exact or correct measurements is called a sketch map. So a sketch map is not drawn using a scale, it is drawn roughly. So this is a sketch. Now next is a plan. What's a plan? This is not the vacation plan that you make or some kind of plan that you make. This is a plan, or in Hindi we can call it naksha. So what is it? A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. A large scale map gives a lot of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know. For example, the length and breadth of a room, which can't be shown in a map. At that time, we can refer drawings drawn to a scale called a plan. So children, a plan is a drawing of a small area. A plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. So you all have already read about the large scale maps. Large scale and small scale, we have dealt with these two types of maps. So you have already read about the large scale map, that when we want to show a small area like a village or a colony, we show that on a large scale map. And in such type of maps, we also get a lot of information about the places that are around it. So on a large scale map, we get a lot of information. So a plan is also a drawing of such small area on a larger scale. But children, the large scale map, it does not give us detail about the length and breadth of buildings. What is the length of the building? What is the breadth of the building? What is the height of the building? So when we want to know the details about the length and breadth of a room, we refer to a plan. So plans, children, they are used by the builders or architects. These plans are used by the builders or architects to construct buildings. They mostly use a plan, which in Hindi we call it naksha. So look here. This is an example of a plan. So this is a plan, and this plan shows the dimensions of a house. Dimensions means the length, breadth of the house. Or here you can also see rooms are there, a hall is there, then kitchen is there, and then a parking is there. So this plan shows the length, breadth of a building. And this plan is drawn using a scale of measurement, because on the paper it looks very small, but in reality, if we are going to make this house, it is not going to be this small, because there's no point in making a small house like this. So what we are doing is, on paper we have shown it we have made a smaller version of how the house will look like on the ground. So on the ground the house will be of 40 into 20 feet. So the length, if you can see here, below west 40 is written, below east 40 is written. So the length of the house will be 40 and the breadth of the house will be 20. So the house will be of 40 into 20 feet. And why have we made it on a small paper? We have made this plan on a small paper because we cannot use a 40 feet paper to show the exact measurement. We cannot show the exact measurement of the house on a piece of paper because we cannot get 40 feet long paper. So that is why on paper we make it small, but in reality when we make this house it will be a very big house on the ground. So this is a plan which is drawn to a scale because we are giving the measurement that the house will be of 40 into 20 feet, the bedroom will be of 12 into 9 feet. So here we are using exact measurements, we are using exact values, but in case of sketch we are drawing it roughly using our hands. So this is what is sketch and what is a plan. So a sketch is a drawing which is based on our memory, spot observation, and it is not drawn using a scale. On the other hand, plan, children, is a drawing of a small area on a large scale, and plan uses a scale. In sketch we don't use in sketch we don't use a scale, but in plan we use a scale. So this is about a sketch and a plan. So children, with this we have finished this lesson. So now you will read the lesson again and again. And if you face any doubt, children, you can always message me on Campus Care. So in the next class, children, we will discuss all the question and answers. So till then, take care of yourself. Please revise the chapter and I will see you in the next class. Thank you, children.